This is going to be a video tutorial on how to manually check for updates in the Opera GX web browser. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have the Opera GX web browser opened up now to manually check for updates. First thing you want to do is go off to the upper left-hand corner, up to the little O logo. You want to click on that. Then you want to go down to the bottom, down to where it says Update and Recovery, and click on Update and Recovery. It'll take you to a page that looks like this, and towards the center it says Checking for Updates. It tells you what version you're running right here. It tells me that Opera is up to date and that it last checked, which is right now, the time right now. But you can always go to this page and click on Check for Update, and it'll say Checking for Updates. If there's an update available, there will be a button that says Update and Restart. But that is how to manually check for updates in the Opera GX web browser. Thanks for watching.